Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our physics class. I am your physics teacher from United Public School, Tandur. Today we are Today we are starting our new chapter. What is that, ma? Laws of motion. Laws. What is meant by law, ma? Law is nothing but rules. Rules of motion. What is meant by motion? We already discussed the whole chapter about the motion, ma. Okay, what is motion? Motion is nothing but just a movement. Okay, any body is moved from one point to another point means the body is in motion state. Okay, the body is in motion state. Okay, in this chapter we have to learn about the rules of motion. Okay, we are completing the second chapter now. Today we are starting the third chapter. Afterwards we are starting the first chapter. Okay, can you see the picture here? This is the three types of motion. Okay, not three types, it is a three planes. It is downward motion, it is upward motion, and it is a motion on a plane. Okay, this is a three motions is there. First one is a, what is that? The ball is rolled down. We observe that when the marble is rolled down a slope, it pick up the speed due to the force of gravity of the earth. What happened on the marble? When the marble is come towards the earth, why? The marble is come fast towards the earth. Why? Because the gravitation is work on the marble, and gravitation is attract to the marble. That's why the marble is pick up the speed. That's why the marble is increasing the speed, not decreasing. It is from the earth, from any height to down. It is take the largest speed. Whereas come to the B bit, what is that? When the marble is roll up, when the marble is roll up in an inclined plane, it is speed is decreasing or increasing? It is speed is decreasing. In this example, the speed is increasing. For the B, it is want to go up. The marble is want to go up, means its speed is increasing or decreasing? Its speed is decreasing because it is a height number. Its speed is decreasing. Now let us observe at a marble. Marble is moving on the level surface. Okay, it is a level surface or not? Level surface. It has no reason to speed up or loss. Is there any reason to speed or loss? It is a plane surface now. Here the speed of marble is increasing. Here the speed of marble is decreasing. Here is there any reason to speed of marble decreasing or increasing? There is no reason to speed of marble increase or decreased. Okay. So it continue to move with the constant speed. It will be, the marble will be moved with constant speed. What is meant by constant? Constant means same. Okay, same velocity is pass hota. Okay, it travel the same velocity. Here the marble is increasing the speed. For example, here marble is decreasing the speed. Here either not decreasing or not increasing. It is travel a constant speed or constant velocity. Okay, can I understand the motion of upward motion, downward motion, upward motion, and motion on a plane? It is a motions examples. Before going to the chapter, just we have to recall our previous chapter. What is that? Motions. Okay, we are second chapter is motion. In that, what we are discussing, that we are recall one by one. We are discussing about the distance. What is distance? Overall distance covered by the body. What is the distance? Here I am taking the here to here point A and point B. The here to here is the overall distance. Overall distance covered by the body is called distance. Okay, overall path. Okay, you can say overall. What is distance? Overall path covered by the body. Here to here, from here to here, it is a distance. What about displacement? Shortest distance. I am taking the here example. In that you take displacement also. A to B, here it is the shortest distance. It is the longest distance. Okay, it is the overall path. It is the shortest distance. From A to B, it is the displacement. From here to here, it is a distance. Okay, can I follow my points? What is that? Distance is a overall path covered by the body. It is a displacement. Distance overall path covered by the body, it is distance, and shortest distance covered by the body, it is displacement. Okay, ma'am. Next topic we have discussed. Topics was completed. Just we have to recall it. What is the speed? Speed is a ratio of distance and time. Okay. What is that? Speed is the bodies cover the distance with time. Okay. Distance by time. Okay. Here speed is denoted by s, d by t. Okay. This is the formula of speed. And velocity, what is that? Velocity is displacement by time. Okay. V is velocity, we can be represented by t and displacement s, and time is t. Okay. Speed is d by t and velocity is s by t. Okay. What about the acceleration? Acceleration, the rate of change of velocity. Okay. In overall journey. If here I am taking the, here is body is traveling from A to B. How many times the velocity of the body can change? Okay. The body, how many times velocity changes? How can I find? With the help of this acceleration formula. Okay. Acceleration formula itself that the rate of change of velocity. Acceleration is used to find the how many times velocity is changed of the body throughout the journey. Okay. What is that? The rate of change of velocity means acceleration. What is the formula? Del v, A is equals to del v by del t. Here del is there nama, it is called change. In physics, del is called change ma. Any change. Okay. Here this is whatever, whenever you see this symbol, it is means that it is a change of whatever behind it. I am changing the del v means rate of change of velocity. Rate of change of velocity by time. Okay. Del v by del t. Del is represented the change. Okay. The one more formula of acceleration, it is a general formula and it is an acceleration formula in terms of final velocity and initial velocity. It is a general formula. Another formula of acceleration in terms of initial and final velocity. Okay. What is that? A is equals to v minus u by t means A is equals to final velocity minus initial velocity by time. Okay. Final velocity minus initial velocity by time. Here is the example. A is there, B is there. Here 2 meter per second, 5 meter per second means here B is the final velocity and A is the initial velocity. Okay. Whatever. Last, what is the topic of this chapter of before motion chapter? The equation of uniform acceleration. We are derived the three equations. What is that? V is equals to u plus at. First equation is V is equals to u plus at. Okay. Second one is s is equals to ut plus half at square. Okay. Second one equation also we are derived in earlier class, previous classes. Okay. Third one is v square minus u square is equals to 2as. What is the equation ma? How can we use this for equation to solve the numericals, to solve the problems? Okay. This equation we are used in this chapter also. Okay. In this topic, the laws of motion, third chapter is the laws of motion. Laws means rules and motion is momentum. Okay. In this chapter, this is a topic we are going to learn. What is that? Topic is the definition of force. Okay. First topic is the definition of force, types of force, Newton's first law of motion. Okay. Inertia, momentum. Momentum is a product of mass and velocity. Okay. Newton's second law of motion and Newton's third law of motion, conservation of momentum, and numericals. Numericals means problems. Okay. This topic we are going to discuss in your upcoming videos. Okay. Today's class is completed ma. Next class we are discussing about the definition of force, types of force. Okay. Today's two topics we are discussing in the next class. Okay. Today's class is completed. This is your homework. Homework ma 6 question you have to write. Already you are completing this chapter na. Just you have to complete this question and send me in the group. Okay. 6 question you have to write in your notes, physics notes, and submit in the group. Okay. Thank you.